Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and today is going to be a big video. So I kind of want to tell you how I'm going to do this. Now, if you watch my channel, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. And about once a month, I do like the wigs I wore in the previous month. I do a lot of reviews where I show a lot of wigs. Now, today I'm going to show you 20 wigs. That's probably a record. I don't think I've ever showed that many. This is what I'm calling the wigs I wore this summer. Now, summer, believe it or not, is coming to an end. Still got to get through August, but we're getting there, right? We're going to get there. And these are some of the wigs I really reached for a lot this summer. And I just wanted to show you these. Now, this is not a wig review. As you know, on these types of videos where I show a lot of wigs, there's no way I could stop and talk about all these wigs. We would be here all day. And I've already done that. I've already reviewed all these wigs. So all you have to do is go to the search bar of my channel, type in the name of the wig. I'm going to put the name of the wig above my head up here somewhere in the video. And all you have to do is just go over there into the search bar, put in the name of the wig if you want to know more about it. If you want to know about the cap, how it fits on me. By the way, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. In all my videos, I will tell you what kind of fit I have on it, if it has permatease, if it's low density, if it's high density, indoor and outdoor video. Everything you need to know are in the full reviews. This is definitely not that. This is just fun, an overview, showing you some of the wigs I have enjoyed this summer. I want to hear all your comments. Have you tried these? Which ones do you like? And let's just get into it. And I want to show you these. I'm excited about it. There's so many. It was hard to pick. I have worn a lot of wigs. As you know, I usually change wigs a couple times a day, depending on what I'm doing. But stay to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you my most worn wig all summer long. And if you have followed me, you probably already know what it is. But anyway, let's get started and look at the wigs I wore this summer.